These guys sent me this solar light. Let's check it out. All right, here's all the pieces that it came with. So we got the light and the solar panel. On the back of the solar panel, there's a plug, and that's going to hook to the light. And this is just the mounting brackets. We also have a remote control that comes along with it, and it comes with batteries. Let's go ahead and put this thing together and mount it. Check it out. All right, as far as paperwork, this thing comes with some directions. OKPRO Solar Streetlight User Manual. It's got a warranty system. It says it's got a 730-day warranty and a free gift. Okay, so now this piece, I'm gonna just, this goes like this on the back of here. I'm gonna use these. You could use some needle nose pliers too. Some people might be able to get their hands under there, no problem. Their fingers. Okay, now after you get these 4 screws in, then this piece will go on here, and this is the swivel piece, and then it just goes right in here. Okay, the fasteners that you use to connect that are these little ones. Actually, it comes with some lock washers too, so I want to make sure we put those on there. So the other thing you're going to do is when you get this to the angle that you want it, you know, most facing the sun, then we'll just put a couple more of these fasteners on there and run them right through there. That will keep this from going back and forth. And then this will go on there like that. Comes with this wrench here too to tighten it down. I used a combo of these two for here and then for the nut underneath. Now inside here we got the connection for the solar light. That's going to connect to the other end of the panel there. We want to take this and run it up through here, come out this end, and make a connection right there. Okay, we made a connection there, and now we're going to go ahead and loosen these up, and they give you an Allen wrench. Okay, so you loosen them up, and this thing is just going to slide right over this. And we'll just tighten it down on that pole there. Got those tight. Now it's ready to roll. Now you can mount it. Oh man, you guys, this thing is nice and bright. Look at this. This thing's awesome.